Today we have to start with the introduction part. I told you which got removed or something because when I was taking the video, 4 minutes it got recorded and then 4 minutes or 3 minutes and then camera got hanged, so I thought that much part must have been saved, and then I continued from there, so the part got deleted also. Okay, so we are going to do it once again, that is adding two terms in an algebraic expression. How do we add two terms in an algebraic expression? Very simple. How we add two numbers? 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Similarly, we add two expressions. That means we add the constant values. 2 plus 3 becomes 5. So actually it is like this. 2 plus 3 gives us 5x. Similarly, we subtract the algebraic expressions where we subtract the constant terms. That is, it is something like this. 4 minus 2 gives us 2. Okay, children? So when we add the two terms, we add their constant values. When we subtract the two algebraic terms, we subtract their constant values. Okay, children? Also, we have to see one very important thing, and that is this variable. This variable should be same. That means the term should be like term. Okay? If you have an example of 3x plus 2y, can you add them? No, you cannot add 3x and 2y. The reason is the terms are not common. Okay? The terms are not common. X and y are not common terms. Okay? Similarly, if you have 3x plus 2x squared, are they like terms? Still they are not like terms. Why is it so? Because here the x power is nothing, means it's 1, and here the power is 2. Okay, so because of this reason, again we cannot add 3x and 2x. Okay, so we can add the terms if and only if they have common variables xy and xy. Okay, I hope it is clear now. Now children, we are going to continue with the exercise, that is exercise 12.2. Let's do it. Question number 1. Simplify by combining the terms, that is combine the term and solve them. Okay, solve them means solve the operations in between them. That means either add or subtract or multiply. So when are we going to do the addition, subtraction or multiplication or division? If and only if the terms are like. Okay, otherwise we are going to leave them as it is. Let's start. Question number 1. First one. So here, let's see who are the like terms. 21b. Any term with b? Yes. These two are like terms. Minus 20, this also, children. This is also a like term. So we write them together. Rest, nothing else is left. No. So 21b plus 7b minus 20b minus 32. We write all these like terms together. Then we add 21 and 7. 21 and 7 gives us 28. So 21 plus 7 minus 20b minus 32. Okay. This we will do So 21 plus 7 gives us 28b minus 20b minus 32. Okay, now we will subtract these two. Children, we will follow the Demar's rule as we have already done. 28 minus 20. 28 minus 20 is 8. 8b minus 32. So your answer is 8b minus 32. Okay, so this completes your first one. Then we go to the second one. Third one. Let's do the third one first, children. Okay, then we do the second one. So the first thing, we follow the BODMAS rule and we remove the brackets. Okay, so let's remove the brackets here. This is the bracket and this is the bracket. So minus sign multiplies inside. So t minus nothing is here means it's a plus. So minus plus minus p minus minus plus q minus q minus plus minus q minus minus plus. Okay, now plus and minus and same terms will get cancelled. So any minus plus, this is plus p, any minus p, yes, p minus p will give you 0, so this gets cancelled. Then q plus q minus q will give you 0, so this gets cancelled. What is left? Minus q plus p. Okay, so it gets p minus q. So this is your answer for the third one. Then we do the second one now. Let's do the second one. Z, so that is I am not able to write this. Anyways, we are going to check the like terms first. So this is alone 7z cube. Let's write it first. 7z cube. Okay. Now this term and this term are like terms. Why? Because z square and z square is present. So minus z square plus 13z square and minus 5z minus 15z. These two terms are also like terms, so we are going to solve these two terms and these two terms. Okay, so plus minus is minus, we've already studied. That means 13 minus 1 will give us 12. Sign will be of the greater number. Who's greater, 13 or 1? 13 is greater. It is plus, so 12 will be plus. Okay, there. Minus minus becomes plus. So 15 plus 5 gives us 20z. Since both are negative, answer is also negative. Okay, so children, this is your answer for the second one. Third one we have already done. Now we will start the fourth one. After fourth, children, I will do sixth. Okay. Fifth one you will do. So starting with the fourth one now, and the fourth one is 3a minus 2b minus ab minus a minus b plus ab plus 3ab plus b minus a. First thing, we will remove this bracket. So 3a minus 2b minus ab minus plus minus a minus minus plus b minus plus minus ab minus 3ab plus b minus a. It's coming? Yes. Now, children, see if anything can get cancelled. Nothing can get cancelled. This is also minus, this is also this is plus and this is plus. Okay. So we collect the terms, the like terms. 3a minus a minus a. Then ab terms. Minus ab minus ab and minus a. Then the b terms. Minus 2b plus b and plus a. Putting ticks on the top of it helps us to know that this term is over. That means we have already written this term. Okay, so minus minus plus. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. 3a minus 2a. This is also minus minus plus. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So minus 2ab and minus 3ab. And this is minus 2b and plus plus is plus. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2b. Okay, so minus 2b plus 2b gets cancelled. Okay, and 3a minus 2a gives us 1a, that is a, and minus minus becomes plus. So 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Both are negative, so answer is also negative. 5ab. That's it. So this is your answer. A minus 5. A minus 5ab. This is only the fourth one, no? I hope I have not left anything. AB, 2AB, 3AB is plus C. This is the mistake here. This is, children, this is plus. So this is plus and this is plus. So 3 minus 2 gives us 1. So AB answer will be positive because 3 is greater. So A plus AB will be your answer. I hope now no mistake. Let me check once. Okay. So this completes your fourth one. Then we do the sixth one, children. Let's start with the sixth one. First thing, we remove the bracket. So 3y square plus 5y minus 4 minus plus minus 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 plus minus minus plus. Anything is getting cancelled? Yes. Minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled, and 3y square and y square. So 3y square plus y square plus 5y minus 8y. 3y square plus y square gives 4y square, and this gives 5 minus 8, that is 8 minus 5 gives us 3y. Answer will be negative because 8 is greater and it is negative. So the answer is 4y square minus 3y. y square plus 5y minus 4 plus y square. No, marks.